Test, test. 1, 2.
on the board.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Oatrew.
NQ on the 9.
Are you ready indeed? Happy Friday. Let's get to it. Don't forget, trading is risky and all of that business. Let's see. Got a few things to get set here. And button. There we go. Where's the music here? Oh, I am missing a... I'm missing a video cam. Okay. Hold on just a moment. Sorry about that. What happened to my video? Mic's working. Oh boy, we got technical difficulties there this morning. Real-time protection. Yeah, let me get that off here real quick. All right, real-time protection. Make sure we get that turned off. Got our gaming machine working at its top here. We've got a Super AO here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that here real quick. Gonna go half position. Got to be careful there. That is a little bull starting. He wants to go 125. We had a 5-8 and a 7-8, so I'm going to try to see if it's going to get a slap down here. I need to hear some sellers start to step in here if I'm going to get my 20 and 40 bag off of it. It's coming down here. Let's see if we're going to get ourselves a little 20-40 bag here. There's a 20. Can I get a full 40? If we crack that Gartley, might be able to get a 40 bag out of her. Whoa, holy shnikes. What was that? 927. Okay, we've got the open doing its thing immediately with an Enigma, and I could not react fast enough to deal with that. What's our time? We are 2 minutes from the US Open.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 30.
And we have a liftoff launch, super fast. I don't think it's going to last, but who knows? Who knows? There's the open. It is.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 30.
Now it's actually 9:28, so it's early.
NQ on the 37.
They're like, it's the open and it's Friday. Let's just let's buy the open. We've got an Enigma up top here. Let's see if that's going to help me out here. There's target 1 on it. Gonna have to peel some.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Got about a minute and 15 seconds. I'll close it out right there. Take an $1,800 loss there off of that one. So we had the 1, 2, 3, but this one was not smaller. So remember on that 3 count, I want the third one to be larger. And that just happened so fast there. Literally no way to easily react on that one. Enigma showed up, pushed it down. Enigma here, pushed it up. Enigmas are going to be on point here this morning. I'm going to turn on full auto Enigma here on my lower time frame as well.
Up NQ on the 9.
And I'm going to go with a... I think I'm going to go with an odd number here. I think we're going to go with a 15 here. All right, here comes the open in about 30 seconds, and I'll try to get my video camera working here as we start rolling. Right here at the open.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Let's see. I need to unplug and replug. 1 second.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Fib.NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Double delta NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
All right, let's see if we can get this thing functioning.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Hey, there we go. All right, that'll do it.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Hey, there we go. Okay.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, we got a blue dot on the 37s here, so gonna look for that bounce there off of the blue dot on the optimized range here.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Okay, we got the top of the channel here with a red EDD. So got a structure being the channel, got a red dot, and we got a super right in front of it with the get ready. Don't crack that dot. Thank you. Two minutes past the open here.
Divergence down NQ on the 9. 2-finger NQ on the 37. Fib.NQ on the 4-finger.
Yikes, got a switch dot and another launch.
On the 4.
Super AO. That is a 6-9. Unfortunately, it's smaller than the prior. I'd like to see a higher number than that. We just tapped off of a red up top as well on the 9s into the bull touch and a divergence.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Enable delta NQ on the 4.
Beautiful. All right, so red dot cracked, blue dot push, super fast action there. It's literally video game style here this morning. Boom, push down into the green. So max on that, 81 ticks in seconds. Super fast Friday action. Trade 1, trade 2. Enigma long right there inside of the shark crab. Hold to the opposing signal and exit. And I got a shark back right here. I'll slap at the shark back. Cracking through, I'll peel half.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
There's front of the shark for 20. Do you have any more left? We're at neutral, so I think we should. See if I can get a full 40 out of it.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
And there's a 40 bag. Beautiful. Put me at 4K on the day on a Friday. What's our time? 9:34. We have 2 seconds still, 5 minutes past the US Open. Big red dot up on the 9s as well. So we had the high time frame confluence along with it. Easy video game style on a Friday. We are winner, winner, chicken dinner. We can quit right here.
Touch NQ on the 89.
But I've committed you guys to stay, so here we are. Let's roll. Glasses are
Fib.NQ on the
wretched here
4.
this morning. Right one. Super smudged for some reason.
Short NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 37. Fib.NQ
And let's see, gonna get the chat here on screen.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Good morning, Daniel D. Good morning, Dr. Mahmood. Smash that like button. Let's do that. 4K Friday. Okay, cracking through the green dot. We are currently moderate sell.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Let's see. We're gonna get to that prior close. Likely. There's that open line. One of my least favorite places to play around. Anywhere in this area around that open line.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, there's my continuation play here. Let's see. I hate that it's here at the open, but that is a super AO, and that open line is down below us. Prior close is there as well. Let's see if they fake it and give us the giant pop-up or not. It is risky. Putting it on. There is the ready DD. It's a 5.6. It's in a weird place. We've got 8.4, 6.9, then a 5.6 in front of the prior close with a super. Okay, trying to peel some there at 20 ticks. Are they gonna get the prior close and the open line? There's 40. Probably should have taken it right there, right in front of the prior close at 40 ticks. There we go. Not being too greedy there. Up 7K on the day. Super AO for the short. Grabbed a 20 and a 40 bag off of it, down to the prior close. Target 3 coming on the J hook maybe. There is a green dot. Again, anything around that prior open, prior close, these areas get very gnarly.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, here's a 6.9 was the turn from before. 5.6.
Lower bands touch NQ.
Continuation, we're right back to it here. Got to be careful. Right into prior. I've got my finger over the sell. Left hand buy, right hand sell. I'm hearing buyers step into it. Prior high and prior close and open. All right here. Dangerous spot. Any other time, if it's not sitting there at the open, I'm going to slap that down every time. We need to get to 100 likes, and we have 5 minutes to get to 100 likes. Make sure we get there. I don't want to have to cut it short. Remember, we have that big bear in there from yesterday. He clawed in and got that trap. Now, will they take him back down there or not? Don't know, but that is a, remember, that is a monster. That was a 2,000 level there yesterday. That's not a small dude. Okay, 2,000 plus another 5 and a 5. I mean, it's a 3,000 level deal there. Now, whether they hit it today, I don't know. I would expect them to at some point today. But do we do the triple top? 2, 3, rip, bap, 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 bap. On a Friday, likely, and then leave it right above the open because they like to close into the weekends on a positive note.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Remember, we are now in this area where we are trading all-time highs. Okay, we got the ready DD there right on a Gartley. Where's the open line? Down below us, came into the 6.9. So that's kind of the 1, 2, 3 banger, and we'll count that as the trap. Okay, never mind. Hold to the opposing signal. We'll close it up at 8K. I thought I had my 10K scenario there, but we got a green dot and a 24.6 back behind it. No. I'll hold to the opposing signal, and
Fib.NQ
got about, it was just, I want to say just, that's a good amount. 40 ticks is not bad. But I thought we might have more out of it to get down into that open line again. But there's that open line reaction, green dot. I wish I hadn't have been so chicken. Should have gone ahead and at least gone maybe a quarter position on that, off of that dot. Huge push up, 87 ticks buying the open line, especially with a Fibella dot structure there. Multi-fib Elliott wave. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. 2K away from 5 figures. Let's cautiously work our way there. 10 a.m. we have prelims, UOM consumer sentiment there at 10 a.m. Don't forget, you guys should have this if you've got your news indicator there. That will give you the audio alerts as well as the visual text on the screen on your chart when that event comes up. If you want to see my settings, these are my settings right here. Take a screenshot and come back if you like. All right, so that Enigma carried it to its target, and we swept it once. Are we going to sweep it again? I got my finger over the sell. I'm going to use this as a sweeper if we come back up to it. There's red number 1. Okay, there's the touch. Let's look for, see if we get a red underneath. We do, but I'm hearing a lot of popcorn on it. There's an Enigma short. It's going to be a tricky spot right here. Remember the open line? This is that spot where things fail here around the open. There's a 20 bag. I'll take it. 9,146, almost there on 10K. There's the seller stepping underneath the sweeper. Let's see. Still feels pretty narrow here to be able to get the big drop. We might flirt around in this area. Gonna draw a little zone here, so I'll treat this as a... This is where I'd like to have like another smaller time frame right here to look for double crosses at the bottom or double crosses at the top. So if you have yours, then do it. Vincenzo, hey buddy, happy Friday, sir. Oh my goodness. You know, I wanted to take a minute to write you back. I did see it, and I happened to, I didn't catch it live, but I did watch like that whole thing of that clip that you sent prior to you sending it. I was laughing so hard I wanted to write you and take a minute to write you a little bit more than just a quick one. So I'll write you back there this weekend. Oh my goodness, I have so many things to say on that. It's hilarious. But yes, thank you for that. And yeah, the saga and the adventures. You have nothing to brag about. Like, and if people knew the truth, dude, the truth is it's coming out. It's coming. It's coming. It's gonna be a good one. Actually, I wouldn't even call it one. It's gonna be some. It's gonna be some good stuff. Some good stuff is coming. Let's just put it that way.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
HMD. HMD, top of zone. Tracking through.
Double Delta NQ on the 4.
Super AO, that one is larger. Let's see, Super AO, are they going to push it back down inside? Got to squeeze that stop in a little bit farther here. Again, we are still here at the open line. All right, we've got a Mega Late Nate and the Super AO here. Let's see, it's going to come close. King timing. Using it for the run up. Okay.
Double Delta NQ on the 4.
Double, right close to each other. Everybody's trying to get long and strong on that. Hopefully it's a big fat giant trap. It's going to be right here for the DCDM.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
Titanic zone. Listening for the sellers.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Full test on dot. Deuce. Cracked.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the...
Oh no, right as I pull it over we get a green dot. Okay, I should have peeled some. I knew I was being greedy. I was trying to knock one out of the park there to try to go up to the full 10K there and then some. But it looks like they were just going to hand me my 10K and that was about it. So I should have peeled it there on some because I could have added now again as we are coming up into it. Let's see if it's going to let me get away with one here. Seuss. They're going to stay inside of that Titanic zone and give me that drop. That HMD though, that's dangerous. That can launch into that PRZ, power up the dot. Titanic zone. Will it, won't it? See if they're going to buy that prior high.
Double
like
delta
they are.
on the 4.
They cracked the first one. Give me a red right there. Oh, they're pushing above. So they cracked through that first test, so bears could not maintain control there.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Thank you. And close it up. 12,000 on the day. There we go. They just obliterated. And this is the perfect example of what I mean by... Sorry, I had full auto turned on there. This is a perfect example of what I mean by bulls take the stairs. Bears do what? Fill in the blank. Type it there in the chat. What do bears do? Bulls take the stairs. Bears do what? Fill in the blank. If you've been hanging out with us for a while, you know the answer to this one. Let's go. Oh.
Baby, I know it's been crazy, you don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. I know I can't let go without you near me. I'm holding on your tricks, got me 10 feet off the ground. Now I'm seeing how you play. AlgoBox, you turn it all around.
If you said bears jump out the windows, give yourself a gold star. You've been hanging out here long enough to know, because you know.
You play. It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. Need you like a heart.
Alrighty then. Just a little fun. Have a little fun. It's Friday. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. Just put those fries in the bags, boys. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
It's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. I said it's too late to miss the game. AlgoBox, it's too late. Whoa.
All right. So we need to mark up the Big Bear. Big Bear stepped in right behind the Mega Late Nate's Titanic Zone. Shift drift, and every bull that thought, oh, we're running to the moon again, wrecked. Let's see, and that's they're trapped in there too. That one happened so fast, there's no way they got out of that. 158 ticks. That was a definite face ripper. Let's see. 25, is that 3,000?
On the 4th.
Alright, so this was just the zone we were working prior, and now we mark this as a Big Bear. He's in there. Alright, so now we know how to play this zone. We're ready to go. Alright, let's get some bear emojis in the chat there so I can grab that. Thank you, Eddie. And I'll take your bear emojis and put them on the chart.
UOM consumer sentiment. Medium impact news event prelim.
Alright, Big Bear showed up. Let's measure out 250. Probably that target down there, 225. 250 is a little bit lower than that. Right about here's. Oh, right to P point. And the width is about the same as, wow, yeah, okay. So that's where they'll work it. Work it to P point. And now we just need to look for plays to get it there. DCDM looks like kind of a nice one.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Wow. Yeah, I thought maybe there was, nope. Every single Enigma has won there this morning. So full auto on Enigma has been every play, every single play. Targets filled, targets filled, targets filled. Targets filled. Targets filled. Targets filled. Targets filled. So full auto Enigma players there this morning. You guys banked it big time on the 4s. Nicely done. News soon. Thank you for reminding me. Yes, we have news in 1 minute. I don't have Financial Juice streaming apparently. I have not heard him yet. There we go. Thank you for that reminder.
With the University of Michigan sentiment prelim.
All right, here we go. So they'll use this as the excuse, likely. Left-hand buy, right-hand sell. So unless the big bull steps in here. Now again, a big bull can step in, push it up, or little bull can step in, push it up 125 ticks, and then meander. And remember how it is. Everything is a manipulation. They're looking for the manipulations. Right here at the open line. Here comes the news. 30 seconds.
Ten seconds.
Double delta NQ on lower bands, delta NQ on the bands, touch NQ on the lower bands, convergence down upper bands, touch NQ on the 37.
Okay, what is that entry? That is a terrible entry. I have no idea what that is. That was so fast, could not react. Alright, my charts are falling desperately behind. I need to close out all other areas. Try to play that. Too fast. Don't want to lock up. Don't want to lock up.
On the 37. Lower bands touch NQ 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 on the 37.
That was wild.
DCDM NQ on the 37.
Wild. So when we launched up here, I tried to enter in. It was so far behind and lagged. Wow, that was wild. Okay, so when that stuff starts to happen, what I do is I close out all of my other lower time frame charts on other instruments to take off some of the CPU processing. Although my 285Ks seem to handle that quite fine. I'm down with it. So I'd like to hold on to a quarter position short. Again, they're getting wild in this area. It is going to be a huge move coming. They've got all kinds of collections in there. Huge manipulation around that news just occurred. This is wild. You do not see this very often. I don't think I've ever seen this, actually. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. This happened at 10 a.m. intraday. That is wild. Big play coming. Big play is coming. We did have the big bull stepped in right here, pushed it up twice into the bear zone, triple topped with red, headshot. Again, super fast. Who's in control? When it's fast, bear's in control. Okay, slow favors the bulls, fast favors the bears. So fingers on reds today.
Fib.NQ.
Hey, Scott David, watching from work. Awesome. Happy Friday, sir.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
sitting here right on the prior close, still floating above the open line.
Says G7 needs to prepare for downside risks.
All I see is crosses. Yeah, there's crosses everywhere over there on the 9s. Looks like fuzzy hairballs.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
All right, I'm just going to grab a quarter position and see if she goes.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Double delta NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Double
All right, closing out there on the diamond and end up turning into a super AO, so got to be careful there. Two big bulls now, they've extended their zone.
Double delta.
Their zone is now wider.
NQ on the 37.
So double cross, double move. Let's get a measure.
NQ on the 4.
F2 from the top of the crosses, inside.
Divergence up NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Okay, gonna sell the first
CDM
red.
on the 37. Fib.NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
All right, they're going to fart around with it right there. We just hit that target here on the 9s, so they might do some manipulation thing. I'm going to lock in. I want to make sure I'm over 15K to start. What's our time? 10:06. We have 4 minutes till coffee time. Yeah, they're going to fart with it here. That 89 bar is not finished, but I want to get a nice entry here. I will sell the next PRZ as well. We're almost to that cipher. Heard the seller step one more time. Quarter position there. Didn't even get to the cipher, so it tells me that they're even stronger.
NQ on the 37. NQ on the 4.
Okay, there's a hold to the opposing signal. It's a super dot. All right, I'll take it. Dump it.
NQ on the 4.
Dump it. So funny. See if we crack it. Dot's still being adhered to. So that's what I was worried about with a double, triple target like that. I thought they might, you know, there's some float there. I want to try to get those precision entries. Don't
on the 4.
like the no heat plays. Looking forward to that. Okay, gonna be a big move. I think we should get a huge move down. It's just a matter of when. I need to hear the buyers. I'm sorry, hear the sellers step in.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
There's a BBI. Blue bar ignored right there. After a ready DD. Need to hear them start, or I'll close it up here and wait. We got a red dot came in on the 9s. cracking the red dot. All right, I'm gonna kill it. Yeah, they cracked the red dot there. If the red dot held, I'd be more interested, but again, off of that target line, they can try to push that up
Double delta and
significantly. Yeah, and I'm hearing buyers step like crazy. Needed to hear the sellers step. Okay, Super AL, I'm ready to take it. Need to hear them step.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Yikes. Green dot.
Double delta
According to
NQ on the
Axios,
9.
Listening.
Iran diplomats are expected to meet in Europe next week.
Okay, cracking through the top of the cross. I need to hear the seller step here at this area. I'm gonna press F6 here. Here's my line for it. There they are. PBI, add to position.
And further from the Axios piece there, E3 and Iran diplomats are expected to talk possible nuclear deal.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Buyer stepping there, and there's king timing.
Mr. Cato says bond market moves are driven by multiple factors.
Crack diamond 1. Deuce.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Headshot. Top of the channel.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 9. NQ on the 4, divergence up NQ on the 9.
Locking in 20K. I saw the $400 superstition staring me in the face there. We got $400 away from 20K. That is a superstition of mine. $400 away. It's scary time. $400. All right, I'm going to get to the superstition buster. I'm turning on the tiny superstition buster. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Do it.
Says, since April, economic indicators
Target
Lower
filled.
bands touch.
Thank you very much. $20,000 on the day. Yeah. Oh, we cracked it. We cracked it. The superstition has no power here.
Crazy, you don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans,
Japan's finance minister Kato says that we will address market voices over bond moves. And we will continue to work towards
NQ on the 4. Lower bands touch NQ on the 9. 37.
All right. I thought your PC froze. Sorry. I couldn't help myself.
IMF says that we have seen strong evidence of front-loading ahead of
Double kill on the 9.
conversion. And on inflation, they say cooling demand and falling energy prices point to continued decline.
Are your speakers still working?
with variation across nations.
we're fireflies.
Lower bands.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new. I will send you to Jesus.
All right. Those are steady, so we should be still continuing to get more drop here. Go back to 4s here, and
Double delta NQ.
okay, now we might get the reversal there. That's a 1, 2, 3. Look for the upside. So that's a 1, 2, 3. That one's larger. We can get long right here. I need to see a. I want to do a PRZ or a dot that goes with the buy side there on that one. That is a 1, 2, 3 banger. If you know what I'm talking about, type a 1, 2 if you are new, 3 if you're just here to troll me. And I know there's plenty of you in there too. So let's just admit it. Let's just come right out and say it. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, they're clustering it. That's interesting. All right. Still, I'm going to stick to the plan here. PRZ or a dot. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Here comes king timing. Need to see a PRZ or a dot green for the trap. Looking for the trap pop.
S&P 500 erases opening gain. Nasdaq 100 now down 0.1%.
Lower bands touch NQ.
There it is. All right, blue dots.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37.
Give me my 40 ticks. I'll take it. 22,058. It's just getting a little bit too easy. Too easy.
Bruh.
Lower bands touch on the 37.
Billions and billions. Another one.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Wrong.
Don't lose your
Wrong.
Wow, Donald Trump is an enormous douche.
Alrighty then. 1, 2, 3 banger. Let's see. Everybody type banger in the chat. Vamonos. Let's go.
Mashed potatoes. Shake it, baby.
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. What do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from? Bacalado.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. W głowie myśli mam, kiedy skończy się ten stan, gdy już nie będę sam, bo wiedzie biały węgiel.
Convergence down NQ on the 9.
Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend. Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the
Showing stocks rise up.
Yeah, Mr. Carbone, you know about the Polish cow?
Legislation.
You know. So I'm getting better at holding these bangers. So I need to get to a point where I can hold them to 75 ticks. Yeah, that moved a whole 126. Like, I've got to get better at that. Like, I know these go farther. I've already gotten, like, statistically, the measures are extreme. We're talking like, you know, easy 80s. But sometimes like this, all the way up, 126 ticks. So grabbing a 40 bag doesn't feel great when it's like, okay, could have gotten way more out of that. So 1, 2, 3 banger. 1, 2, 3, take the bang, boom, huge. Precision, pinpoint entry locations. I'm just not good at holding them longer than that yet. And I say yet, because dude, I'm on it. I have to mentally speak it into existence. I have to say it first, and then execute, practice on it. And then just actually do it. That's one I want to practice, and I'm literally locking that into my brain again right now, like reminding myself, hey Vinny, remember, bangers, bro. Like, find a way to hold it longer and take the big play. I was just talking to Gambo Taj last night. Gambo, you here? You're hanging out with us here on a Friday? I don't think I've seen him say anything in the chat yet. I might have missed it. File print money. or find the file print money button, which is basically the 1, 2, 3 banger to begin with.
House Republican on House China Committee objects to the resumption of NVIDIA H20 chip shipments to China in letter to US Commerce Secretary Landnick.
So okay, 1, 2, 3 banger. Should have labeled these out there. And then what's this one called? Type it in the chat, pop quiz, before I type it. What am I going to label this as? What's my label? Type it for me so I can copy paste it. I'm just kidding. It's not the real reason. I just want to lock it into your brain too. What is this? I took one earlier this morning as well, so even if you're brand new with us, you know. What is it? Mega late Nate, mega late Nate. That is right. And I am actually going to copy paste. Any of you that did it in caps locks, thank you very much. So I can, because you know I like to write in caps on my labels. Bam, thank you very much. And my finger slipped and I hit the slash. Whatever. Just kidding, it's gonna bother me. All right, Mega Late Nate for the shorts, right back down, probably 150 ticks. No, 126. Mega Late Nate for the win. Headshot right here. Everybody knows that one's a headshot, right? This is basics. This is literally like strategy lessons 1. Maybe 2. I think it's just lesson 1 in the strategy section. Headshot.
Lower bands touch.
Red dot with a cross nearby. Putting a crosshair on the head. Max damage in a video game. P point has been achieved. We are at the back of the target from that big bear from before. P point with the green dot. How far do we go? We got a gold target down below here as well. Green dot broken, so bears continuing to hold and maintain control.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
Okay, green dot and off the P point. Get the riser. King timing. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Almost to the top of the channel. Just passed the eval using only Enigma bot. Awesome, Sergio. Yeah, it was an easy Friday. We got good speed here today. I know it says too slow right now, but it has been great speed several times here today. And we had a beautiful news event there at 10 a.m. as well. Just very steady, easy reads, beautiful plays. So that turned right on the king timing line.
UK tightened.
Could have. I was hoping to go a little bit farther for me to go ahead and touch that, but didn't. So I guess Gambotage is not here. Let's see. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. If your treasure is not there, neither will your heart be. Let's see.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 89.
So UK statement says UK and EU lower the crude oil price cap. So UK and EU action will lower oil price cap from $60 a barrel to $47.60 a barrel.
Are they manipulating the price of crude oil now? Is that what I heard? Hey, thanks, appreciate that, Sergio. It's great to have you in the crew. Appreciate your enthusiasm.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
US stocks continuing to move lower. S&P 500 down about 0.06%. Nasdaq down 0.14%.
Shark back. This will be the bear test. Will the bears maintain control? They'll have to maintain their structures if they are. Nope. So push through the shark. So bulls are trying to take over control here for the time being. And you can hear them on the tape just continuing through. Oh, I missed jagged on the tape. Everybody type jagged warning in the tape. Jagged warning. Big play coming. Big move on the way right here. You see the teeth? The teeth are on.
Double delta and
Jagged on the tape. Big play coming.
JP Morgan expands research to private firms, starting with OpenAI.
J hook long NQ on the 4.
Left hand buy, right hand sell. Big play coming. Listening for AudioBox.
Fib.NQ on the 4.
Buyer step back in. Again, I'm not going to get off sides on a play right now. Jagged warning. Once we hear that jagged warning, a big move is coming. They could head fake first. Okay, they held the cipher. I need to hear the bears step back if they're going to take the play. I've got left hand buy, right hand sell. If we're going to move up from here, that's fine. They got to crack above that cipher. I need to hear the buyers or the sellers. Bulls take the stairs. Bears jump out the windows.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Divergence on the 9.
NQ on the 89.
Buyers on the tape.
Fib.NQ on the 4. Fib.NQ on the 4.
Alright, I'm going to give it a shot here. Let's hope that's a head fake. If not, stop out behind the dot here, because, again, I'm not getting off sides on a big play right now. Big play is coming. I'm hoping it's a fake up and a drop, because that's the easier play for me. We start running, though. I'm getting out of the way. That is a power headshot. I do not hear sellers stepping.
Heads up, Deputy Treasury Secretary Faulkner currently speaking on CNBC, says crypto rules further cement dollar as the standard.
Fib.NQ on the 37.
Like I said, big play coming. I'm going to lock in 25K on the day. I'll take it. There might be some more in it. Again, big play, like I said.
That was easy.
mashed potatoes.
All right, I grabbed a 50 bag out of that one. What's our time? 10:39. That is why we have the jagged warning, just FYI. So power headshot for the short.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Now we got a power PRZ cross there pushing that up too. It's I mean, we can't write that off. It still pushed it up 48 ticks.
As the private sector must educate
off of that power PRZ there as well. But if you're like, well, how come he holds to the opposing signal? Why didn't he just hold out? Cause hold to the opposing signal. We literally have a song about it. Hold to the opposing signal. It's catchy. It gets stuck in your head to hear yourself singing it at night. You banged that one too, Plutonium? Atta boy. Sometimes we catch the head fake. Oh, Mike Schwartz is coming back online on a Friday. Let's get head on over to Mike Schwartz and tell him hello. Tell him happy Friday. He's got me blocked, so I can't say hello. Always got a cool new background. It's not wood behind him now. It's a neat little, what do you want to call that? It's like a gray square pattern. Pretty cool. Cool. I like it. Got a nice green screen working there. Check out my green screen back behind me. Y'all like it?
Falkender says Treasury wants Trump to cast wide net for Fed pick. Falkender adds that one should question why interest rates are so high.
Johnny said, can you show me the settings of the AlgoBox Enigma Dream panel?
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Have you taken the boot camp yet? Have you? It's, I mean, kind of weird question if you've taken the boot camp. You know what? I mean, you're asking the wrong question. I'm not trying to be rude about it, but I'm kind of like, bro, you just gotta watch the you gotta watch the boot camp. It's like video 6 or 7. And the other thing is, like, it's kind of weird because it's like, I mean, it's they're right there. This is a GUI.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 37.
They're right there. Do you want me to read it to you? L1 quantity 8 Enigma on arm long arm short neutral yes E power off 1 fiddle zone on. You want me to read it to you again? Let me know. You are welcome. Call me ChatGPT. Call me Chat Vinny Emini. It's only 8 videos. It was, I mean, put all the detail into more, but you know, it's like, can you watch 8 videos? No, 8 videos. It's a little too much for me to learn everything you got there in 8 videos. So I'd rather just see if I can learn it osmotically. You know, if I just dream about it, it'll just happen. I'll watch a lot of TikTok and
for Fed renovation.
I doom scroll a lot on Instagram. I don't got a lot of time for educational videos. It's a little much, Vinny. It's a little much asking people to watch 8 videos. A little much, bro. Up to the 6.8. Listening for the beats. Left hand buy, right hand sell. I install them on my chart, but it doesn't take automatic orders. Please uninstall it. Please uninstall. Just uninstall it.
Now attacked by the White House as excessive. So that news is being picked up by some other news wires here.
But you guys remind me why I am removing the 2-week free trial. It will be a paid trial.
37. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Soon. My tech support gets tired of answering these questions as well, and it's literally like, dude, watch video number 6. No. Why it no take me trade, yo? You actually have to turn it on. You actually have to press a button. It's like starting your car. How come me sit in car no starty?
Upper bands touch NQ on the 30.
Did you press the start button on your new Tesla vehicle? No. Why it's not starting? Did you press the start button? No. Why it not starting? Press the start button. What is start? Well, you have semi-auto or full auto. Which one do you want? I want full auto. Okay. Well, why don't you press the full auto button? No, that no makes sense to me. Okay. Video 6. Video 6.
Double delta NQ on the 4. Two finger NQ on the 37.
Awesome, Hindo. Have a great weekend, sir. Blessings. All right, I'm gonna hold on to my. Oh, I thought I had 25k. No, where are we at here? It is marching our way up. Bulls take the stairs. Do you see the stairs? There's putting in the stairs here. Bulls jump out the windows. Could have taken out on 40 there. Yeah. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. We're still sitting over here on sell. We should be breaking. I'll re-enter if we break that green dot. Okay, bunny ear, piercer, reinitiating. double delta shift. Remember, when I get a double delta shift, I'm looking to get 40 out of it, and if I'm on the right side, obviously. You know, is that it's weird when they show up right here. We're in this zone. It should be a, okay, 40 tick drop, 70 plus oftentimes. I'm just trying to grab 40 out of it, which I did technically. I literally, it was to the tick, like with my sizing that I'd gotten, I had 40 ticks. This thing can oftentimes though move 70, 80 plus. I'm hearing sellers, so I'm hoping this is Enigma plus audio box play here, and that we target the back of the Enigma here. Crack through that cipher, push to the back. That should be my 40, but we might get the full 70, 80 banger. I am well up on the day, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the risk to see if I can get that. But we'll find out here in just a moment if that was just a fake and the bulls just step right back in and do their thing. We're floating the... I mean, we're right in here in the golden ropes section here on the optimized range on the 89. We are dead center of them, so basically wild moves can happen both directions in here. So we'll see. Big Bear took over there this morning, but again, bulls are going to continue to head fake continuously inside there and try to battle back. There is, yikes, so Enigma pushing back up in and getting its target filled. Enigma's just absolutely on fire today. Thought this might be the first one to lose, but it's not. It goes up and hits its target as well. The Enigmas have been absolutely stunning there this morning. Alright, we're cracking the dot. I'll just kill it. Yep. Wild. Still moderate sell. We've got green arrow though local. We had red. We just went back green here. So if we flip back, same thing. We were on red, so I thought we had it just fine, but they're farting around right here. As soon as that goes back red, I'm going all in.
NQ on the 9.
Okay, red dot just printed on the 9s as well. Got a 6.3. Easy visual stop above the cross. Red dot on the 9s. Basically same stop above the 9 right here. Or the bull's going to keep making their little stairs here. Two minutes till 11 o'clock. So watching the red dot here. Red arrow came back in. See it? Red arrow. Red dot. Moderate sell. Want to see it go back to strong sell. Awesome. See if we can get it to the other side of the bowl. deuce. Trying to maximize the play.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
All right, I'm gonna close it up here. My little guy, little guy's coming in. That's a good sign too. Hey, buddy.
2 finger NQ on the 89. Double delta NQ on the 4.
Friday.
All right, let's see. So red dot was a nice push into the bottom of the Bollinger there. 81 ticks. That is a 655, so we should be able to have a little bit more here. I'll go ahead and add in, and we'll see if we get it. Six to a 5. Look for some continuation.
Double delta NQ on the 9. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Lower bands touch NQ on the 37. Fib.NQ on the 9.
The 3 count on the green AOs. Not unless you can't count. I mean, we have people who can't count to 3 either. 1, 2, yeah, dude, 3. Absolutely,
House,
yeah, dude, 3.
That's the house China panel faults.
Absolutely.
To ease NVIDIA chip sale panels.
Absolutely. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 3. Yep. 3. Yep. Oh yeah.
NQ on the 9.
Oh yeah.
NQ on the 4.
Risk boosting China's AI capabilities.
Go hang out with Mike Schwartz. He can count to 9.
Republican House China Committee objected.
He'll teach you how to count to 3 first. Hopefully. I don't know. He's got a weird way of teaching.
.NQ on the 37.
A person being Mulana.
Enigma long on the NQ4.
All right. Oh.
Fed Scoresby in a daily one.
What are y'all talking about? Why are y'all counting to? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Data shows tariff
Divergence.
Dude, no. What? Why? Dude, this is like blind leading blind. What are you talking about? It has to be on the same leg. No, it doesn't. What are you talking about? No, it does not have to be on the same leg. Number one. Like, what are y'all doing? What? Why are y'all? My goodness. All right, I'm a terrible teacher, obviously. Dude, I even tried to drill it in like a coach. I literally like yell at you. I scream at you, trying to scream from the sidelines to tell you to do it the right. What are you talking about? On the same leg? No, it's not. It is 1, 2. There's not even a 3. What are you talking about? There's the same leg. 1, 2, 3. Bro, that is a red. What are you talking about? So that's the sequence restart. That's red. You're counting 3 greens? Well, there's 1. There's 2. Bro, where is the 3? What are y'all looking at? What am I not seeing? What are you talking about? That's an enigma. That is an enigma. It's not a cross. What are you talking about? I don't understand what crack people are taking today, man. What is in the food?
37.
My goodness. Have an apple. Non-GMO or something. What are you talking about? And no, they don't have to be on the same leg. And then the third one, it's real simple. 1, that looks like it's a 6. 2, it looks like it's a 5. So what does it have to be? It has to be greater than 5.5, which means it needs to be greater than 5. The next one, if I want to take the reversal for a 3 count, then it needs to be larger. Yes, over 5. So what does it got to be? It can be a, I don't know, 5 more than 5.5 specifically. So why don't we just round up? It's got to be a 6. Hopefully, like a 7 would be ideal, right? 7 or an 8. And no, it doesn't have to be on the same leg. Anyhow. All right. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't think I could make it any easier, but I just don't know. I can't, no, man. Is that a 3 count on the, what are you, dude? I should quit. Happy Friday.